Have you heard about the study cycle? The study cycle is a guide that was formulated by Frank Christ for effective studying. It is a 5-step approach within the learning process that helps students to learn efficiently and effectively. The 5 steps in the study cycle can be represented with the acronym PASA, where P stands for Preview, A Attend, R Review, S Study, and A Assess. Preview is the first step in the study cycle. It entails skimming through your lecture materials like your textbook before the class. You skim through your textbook by looking at the headings, subheadings, key points, and summary within the chapter or section to be treated in your next class. The second step in the study cycle is attend class or lecture. This simply means showing up to class and actively participating in the class by taking notes, asking questions, and writing down questions you may have. The third step, which is review, involves reading the notes you took in class, filling in the missing gaps, and clarifying any questions you wrote down. Reviewing what you just learned shouldn't take long. About 10 to 15 minutes should be sufficient. However, ensure you do this within 24 hours from the time the class was held. Studies have shown that we are likely to forget 50 to 80% of what we learned in class if it's not reviewed after the first 24 hours. The first step is study. This means actually taking time to study for the course or subject. It should be an intense study session of 30 minutes to an hour, and a 10 minutes break should be taken before the next study session. Smart study techniques like active recall, spaced repetition, and Feynman study techniques should be employed to help retain what you study better. Assess yourself, which is the last step in the study cycle, involves the process of self-evaluation. Check if you thoroughly understood the material you read and if you can teach it to someone else. Also check if you have absorbed the information correctly by practicing test questions and past exam questions. Evaluating your study habits as well will go a long way to help you to correct anything that needs to be corrected. For example, you may need to read an additional textbook to improve your understanding or change your study partner. So in summary, previewing your textbook, attending class, reviewing your lecture notes, studying smart, and assessing yourself is what makes up the study cycle that will help you retain, improve memory retention, develop good study habits, and help you pass your exams with flying colors. The study cycle should be used for all your courses or subjects, and it should be done repeatedly throughout the semester to ensure you get straight A's. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.